If you run a tax planning firm or CPA practice and you're great at saving clients money, but your own pipeline is inconsistent with extreme fluctuations and too dependent on referrals, this will be the most important video you watch all quarter. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a 90-day tax client engine that's designed to do one thing. Take cold traffic from Facebook and Instagram and turn it into high-quality leads and booked tax planning consultations on your calendar without you touching Ads Manager, funnels, or CRM automations. Hi, we are BuzzNet Direct, and we build done-for-you client acquisition engines specifically for tax planning firms and CPAs. We don't work with gyms, salons, or random e-com brands. We focus on firms like yours, businesses that sell advice and planning, not $300 tax returns. Here's what we see over and over. You are very good at tax. You can find tens of thousands in savings for your clients. You can talk entity choice, S-Corp, projections, and planning all day. But when it comes to consistently filling your own calendar with qualified tax planning prospects, most firms are stuck on three things. Referrals and word of mouth they can't control. Random marketing experiments that never really get finished. And no real system from ad to appointment. Maybe you've tried running a few ads. Maybe you boosted a post. Maybe you bought a marketing package that gave you some stock content, but nothing that looks like a predictable engine that runs every day, whether you're in tax season or not. So we decided to build exactly that, a 90-day tax client engine that we design, build, and run for you, start to finish. By the end of 90 days, you don't have some ads or some funnels. You have a complete system that attracts your ideal tax planning prospects and send them straight to you or your sales team, educates them with a lead magnet and video, follows up automatically, and books consultations straight into your calendar. Very quickly, here's what's inside the engine, and then I'll break it down. 1. Strategy and offer design. We discuss exactly who you're targeting and what you're offering them. 2. Acquisition, meta lead ad creation and management, including AI avatar video ads. 3. Sales funnel with an AI avatar VSL and a scheduling calendar, your own landing page and booking system. 4. Automatic nurture and CRM automations, so leads don't fall through the cracks. 5. Tracking, reporting, and optimization, so you can see your cost per lead and cost per booked consult in plain English. Step 1 is strategy and offer design. We're not just running ads, we're building a system around a specific client and a specific offer. We'll work with you to answer 3 questions. Who do you actually want more of? Business owners, specific industries, etc. What is the front-end offer that gets them to raise their hand? For example, tax savings strategy session or proactive tax planning audit. And what does the full funnel look like? From Facebook, Instagram, to lead to nurture, to booked consultation, to ongoing planning client. By the end of this step, you'll have a simple growth plan on paper, and then we build all the machinery to make it real. Step 2 is acquisition, meta lead, ad creation, and management. This is where we go out and actually get you leads. We will set up your campaigns properly inside Meta. Build ideal audience targeting around your niche and geography. Create image ads and AI avatar video ads to attract your ideal prospects. Write all the hooks, primary text, headlines, and CTAs. Build retargeting ads for people who visit, download, or watch but don't book. Then we manage the campaigns for you, killing underperformers, scaling winners, and reporting back in simple numbers, not jargon. Step 3 is your funnel with AI avatar, VSL, and calendar. The job of this funnel is simple. Take cold leads and turn them into booked tax planning consultations. We'll build a dedicated landing page for your guide or lead magnet, a dedicated booking page for your strategy session, all the copy, design, and development, hosting and domain setup if you need it. We'll also create an AI avatar VSL for you, usually 1 to 2 minutes long, where it will explain who you help, how your planning works, why now is the time to look at their tax situation, and what happens on your strategy session. You don't have to be on camera. We handle the script, production, and editing. Then we embed your calendar and set up reminder automations so more people show up to the calls you're paying to generate. Step 4 is automatic nurture and CRM automations. This is where most firms lose money without even realizing it. We will build your sales pipeline inside our CRM, set up a reporting dashboard, trigger notifications to your team when a new lead opts in or books, and write a nurture sequence, emails and SMS, that delivers the guide, educates on tax planning, shares case study style proof, and pushes people to book a consultation. The result is that every lead is captured, tagged, and followed up automatically instead of disappearing into a spreadsheet or someone's inbox. And step 5 is tracking, reporting, and optimization. We don't leave you guessing. You'll be able to see, at a glance, how many leads you've generated, what you're paying per lead, how many consultations were booked, what your show-up rate is. We meet with you each month, look at the numbers together, and decide what to tweak next. The goal is to get your cost per booked tax planning consultation to a number that makes sense for your average client value, and then scale from there. If you'd like to see what this could look like for your firm, your niches, and your goals, click the button below and book a short discovery call. We'll look at where you are now, what your average client is worth, and whether this 90-day tax client engine makes sense for you. Worst case, you get clarity on what you'd need to make paid traffic work for your firm. Best case, we build the whole system for you, and you never have to worry about where the next tax planning client is coming from again. Click below, pick a time, and I'll see you on the call.